Hello everyone. Let's dive into the EKWB Volume 3 FLT 240 Reservoir from EKWB. This isn't just another reservoir. It's designed to shake up how you think about building your liquid cooling loop. The flat design is a game changer, especially if you're working in a case with limited space or want a cleaner, more integrated look. One of the standout features is the sheer number of ports. With 9G 1/4-inch ports, you have incredible flexibility in routing your tubing. This makes it easy to find the optimal setup, no matter your case layout or component placement. It really lets you get creative and achieve a super clean aesthetic. Aesthetics are also on point, thanks to the integrated digital RGB lighting. The lighting is vibrant and evenly diffused, adding a premium touch to any build. It's also fully compatible with popular motherboard RGB control software, so you can easily sync it with the rest of your components. In terms of size, the reservoir measures 138.5mm x 128mm x 40mm. It's compact enough to fit in a variety of cases, but still holds a decent amount of coolant, around 250 milliliters. This is a good balance between size and capacity, making it suitable for both smaller and larger builds. EKWB has a reputation for quality, and the Volume 3 FLT 240 is no exception. The plexi construction feels solid and well-made, and the included mounting hardware is sturdy and easy to use. Installation is straightforward, even for those new to liquid cooling. Overall, the EKWB Volume 3 FLT 240 is a fantastic reservoir that offers a unique combination of style, performance, and versatility. If you're looking for a flat reservoir that can handle complex loop configurations and looks great, this is definitely one to consider.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.